Right, we're taking the cows. So we're taking the cows back now to Tynllefan because we're TB testing on Monday, tomorrow. So we're gonna have to walk them for about 3 miles across the mountain. And this is on the old ancient Roman road. Come along with us. So we're halfway. So we're heading for Tynllefan. This is about another 1.5 miles. Cows are going really well. Just taking their time. It's quite warm. Hut, hut, hut! Hey, 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 hey! Well, what a great journey. 3 miles across the mountains to bring the cattle home. Tomorrow morning we'll be TB testing these and hopefully they'll all pass. We'll read them on Thursday and then we'll drive them back onto the summer grazing until November. Fingers crossed everything goes okay tomorrow and Thursday.